Why does your scanner show the P052A engine code? What does it mean? P052A is a diagnostic trouble code for cold start a camshaft position timing over advanced bank 1. This engine code indicates that the cold start camshaft position timing over advanced condition on bank 1. This means the vehicle's computer has detected that the camshaft timing is more advanced than it should be when the engine is cold. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Oil-related issues, VVT system problems, timing chain and related components, other potential causes. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Hyundai, Kia, Audi, and others. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.